Sliding friction is the resistance that occurs when two surfaces slide against each other. It's the force that opposes the motion of one surface as it moves over another. This type of friction is caused by the microscopic roughness of the surfaces in contact, and it tends to slow down the sliding object. Examples of sliding friction. 1. Pushing a book across a table. When you push a book across a table, sliding friction opposes the motion of the book, making it gradually slow down and eventually stop if you don't keep pushing. 2. Ice skating. Although ice is slippery, there is still some sliding friction between the ice skates and the ice, which allows the skater to glide smoothly but also provides enough resistance to help them control their movement. 3. Braking a car. When you apply the brakes in a car, the brake pads press against the wheels, creating sliding friction that slows down the vehicle. 4. Writing with chalk on a blackboard. As you drag the chalk across the board, sliding friction between the chalk and the rough surface of the board allows the chalk to leave marks.